Hey friends, a very happy Janmashtami to you all. My name is Simple and you are watching my YouTube channel Quick Tasty Bites. Today we are going to see how to make Janmashtami special Malpua recipe in a very simple way. But yet I assure you that the outcome will be very yummy. Ingredients required to make Malpua is half liter milk, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, that's maida, 1 pinch of elaichi, that is cinnamon powder, and half cup of ghee. Ingredients required for Malpua chasni is 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, half teaspoon of elaichi, half teaspoon of haldi. For garnishing, cashew is sliced. Take a pan and add the milk in it. Now keep the milk on high flame until it boils. Once the milk is boiled, make the gas on slow flame and then stir it slowly. Stir it until it forms a thick layer. Now add some cardamom powder in it and stir it. Now as you can see, the milk has become 3/4 the size, so turn off the gas. Keep the milk aside. Take a utensil and add 1 cup of water in it. Now add the sugar in it. Now switch on the gas on high flame and let it boil. Add half spoon haldi and the cinnamon powder. Stir the chasni nicely. Boil it nicely until it thickens. Once it's thickened, close the gas. After closing the gas, keep it aside to add little maida in it and stir it nicely. Add the maida little by little nicely and stir it until it becomes a thick paste. Add more maida if required. Now as you all can see, the batter is thickened, so keep it aside. Take a pan and add half cup of ghee in it. Stop it. Now keep the gas on high flame and let the ghee get heated. Now add the batter in it slowly. Keep the gas on slow flame so that it gets cooked nicely. Cook until it doesn't become light brown. Once the batter has become light brown, turn it. Remove the batter once it's cooked. Now add another batter in the same way. Now turn it to the other side. Now cook the other side the same way. The batter another side. Now let this side get cooked nicely. Once both the side is light brown, remove it out. Now take another round, add the batter in it. Now remove this also batter outside in a plate. Now dip all the malpoha in the chasni. Press it nicely inside and soak it for at least for some time. Once the malpoha has soaked the chasni, remove it out in a plate. Garnish the malpoha with some cashews. Yummy tasty malpoha is ready to eat.